Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. So I thought I could do a project pan. I've got some products in here that I just want to add to March project pan. I do this over on TikTok, so if you want to follow, please do. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is a gorgeous bag from the enquiries. They actually sent me this in PR and I've just used this today. So anyway, first product is the We Cherie setting mist. This is amazing. Oh, someone's here to see you. It's alright. Someone's come to see you guys. Say hello to Thumper, or Umper as the kids call him. Hello, Bobby. Yes, it's just you and me today because the kids are at school. So we're doing some filming. It's very weird with the kids at school, isn't it? It's quiet. Oh my god, he's so cute. I love you. So anyway, this is the We Cherie Hydrating Dual Face Setting Mist. This is the best setting mist ever and it's so affordable. You will love it. It's from, you can get it on TikTok shop, but I got it through their website. It is a dual face setting mist, but it's so good. It smells like cherries and it's just flawless. It just, you can talk whilst putting it on. It doesn't choke you like some setting sprays, and it gives you the most glowiest skin ever. So yeah, I've nearly used this up, so I'm just going to add that into my project pan, but I probably will be repurchasing it. Next is this. This is my favourite deodorant. This is from the brand Wild. I'm obsessed. I have currently got, you see that slab? That's how much I've got left. So that is definitely going in my project pan. I do love this product so much. This is a really good brand if you want to get into really hygienic deodorants that aren't damaging to us. Next product is from Refi. This is their Glow and Sculpt. This is their Glow and Sculpt face primer. Now I do love this primer. I just don't reach for it as much as I thought I would. It's got this roller ball on, which is really interesting, but it's so cooling, especially when it's warm and you put this in the fridge. But I don't know, I just don't find myself reaching for it. But it's basically got about that much left, so this is also going to be in my project pan. I am going to be updating you guys maybe like every 2 weeks or maybe at the end of the month. I don't know, but my channel is taking a huge turn and we're going to be doing lots of that kind of content now. This is the SPF 50 from Charlotte Tilbury, the Invisible UV Flawless Poreless Primer. This again is nearly empty, so I'm going to put this into my project pan and get this used up. Very good primer and SPF. We've then got this, the Lash Princess from Essence Cosmetics. It is a really good mascara, but it's got 6 months on it. I didn't know they run out that quick, so yeah, I need to get this used up. The Sky High from Maybelline is one of my favourite mascaras ever. This is pretty much nearly used up, so yeah, I'm going to add that into a project pan. That'll be used up probably in like the next 2 weeks. We've got 2 lip products. The first one is from e.l.f. This is their Honey Talks lip oil. As you can see, I have used this quite a lot. This is like one of my favourite lip oils. e.l.f. lip oils are just, they are so good. They're so hydrating and they are just perfect, and they're really affordable. So yeah, this is definitely going into my project pan. And then I have the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline in the shade Ice. I honestly don't use this much, but I do need to use it up because it's getting old. So that is also going to go in my project pan. This is something I use every day, so this will get used up. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in Light Medium. I absolutely love this product. It's so good for adding bronze to your skin. Yeah, we've hit pan, so that will definitely be used up. Moving on to skincare, I've got a Soothing and Barrier Support Serum from The Ordinary. This is one of the best serums I've ever added into my routine. As you can see, we have got the tiniest amount left in there. It's really good at repairing your skin barrier. It's great. It's got lipids in it. It's got barrier support serum, vitamins, and it's got epidermal repair. So it's going to be really, really good for your skin. It's full of all the good stuff. And then lastly is another lip gloss. This is from Max Factor. They're floral cream lip glazes. These are just so nice. And I can't wait to get it used up because I'm nearly out. It's going to feel amazing getting a lip gloss used up. I don't think I've ever used a lip product up, ever. Actually, I have. I used up the Too Faced lip balm. What's it called? Pillow Talk balm, and that was really good. It was just a mini, but I don't think I've ever used like a full. Hello. Why'd you keep nipping, baby? What's the matter? We let him have a hop about in the garden yesterday. You loved it, didn't you? But it's not warm enough today. Maybe tomorrow. He's such a lolly boy. He's such a lolly boy. He's such a lolly, 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 lolly boy. Anyway, you guys, that is my products that I want to get used up for the month of March. I will update you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just thought I'd let you know. If you want to see my sparkle come back, when I first started YouTube, it was all about makeup. I loved makeup and I loved making that kind of content. And then I had kids and I turned into vlogging because I just didn't have the time for makeup. Now my kids are getting to a point where they're going to school. I feel like my makeup spark's coming back. So if you want to see more makeup and more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow my socials, and I will see you in my another one. I'll see you in another video. Bye.